Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can reconcile bank on Bokio accounting software. So it doesn't matter if you have imported your statement manually or you have enabled automated bank feeds, transactions to record on Bokio accounting software will show up under bank feed section. There's transactions to record. In my case, I have 5 transactions what I need to actually record in my accounts. So first transaction, click on this transaction, and it has already journal entry available. Because I already recorded payment on supplier invoice, then it already allows me to match or link to journal entry, and click on match with journal entry. There is another transaction which has supplier invoice and it matches directly or exactly. So there is supplier invoice which haven't been paid yet, but I can match this one and allocate a payment what I have made to this supplier directly and click match and register payment. Next transaction is pension contributions. So there is director's pensions paid. Title is pensions, and I can record transaction. So click record transaction and it has been recorded. Next one is business limited. So I have received money from them and there is 3,600 customer invoice 101 and I can allocate to this invoice, click match and register payment. Also, I have received money from Laura, but because I already posted payment from her account, then I can match to journal entry. Also, I can create a bank rules directly from these transactions if you want to save your time. For example, every time recording maybe bank fees transaction. So I will match with this journal entry. Now there is no transactions to allocate. As I said, either you upload manually your bank statements or if you have enabled automated bank feeds, all transactions will show up in this transactions to record section and you will need to review one by one. Just a note, you can go to reports and click on general ledger and look at your bank account here. So my bank account closing balance as of 24th is 628431. If I go to my bank account, I have 628431 balance. If you go back to bank feeds and click on your bank account, you can see when the last date is as a reconciliation date. So this is a way how we can reconcile bank and check on Bokio accounting software balances for particular bank or cash accounts. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my Bokio tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.